Hi everyone, Miss Andronicus here, and we're looking at Index Laws, Law 2 Division Law, Part 2. So let's have a look at these examples, okay? Two ways of writing the exact same calculation, okay? So I mentioned the fraction form and the written form with the division symbol. You really don't see the division symbol very much, very commonly. It's just not the simplified version. Always the fraction is preferred. So please get used to using and opt for using the fraction. So having a look at this one, just like with the first law, it's always numbers first, okay? So have a look at 20 and 10, do the division. Then you look at the variables with, of course, the same base, and you have a look at those index numbers. So you go x, 6 subtract 2, which will be to the power of 4. Okay, having a look at the fraction version, same thing, except you need to do 20 divided by 10 or simplify as much as possible. You may not get a perfect answer like this one perhaps is, but simplify as much as possible. So 2 divided by 1, well, that's just 2. And then if you know that you've got x's on the top and x's underneath, it's a subtraction. Okay, so you can write it out. You can write it out and you know that you've got 6 at the top and you know you've got 2 at the bottom. Okay, so then you cancel them out. Yeah, so you can write it out to help you. Otherwise it's 6 take away 2. So that means you're going to get rid of everything underneath. You're going to end up with x at the top, but only to the power of 4. So 2x to the power of 4. That means there's no longer a fraction. If there were more underneath, you would keep the fraction. Okay, and just a reminder, fraction form is more commonly used, so please opt to use it. Okay, time to do some practice. Please pause the video now. And the answers, like I said with these ones, these are still fraction answers. You simplify the fraction as much as possible. In this case, I divided by 4 and kept the fraction. Simplified, of course, the index number as much as possible as well. Thanks, guys. Ciao for now.